Welcome back to Weston Dealerships here on the corner of 223rd and Stark. Today we are bringing you a 2017 Leisure Travel Unity FX. This specific unit has brand new tires on it. It also came with the Alcoa wheels. It's full of tons of options. We've got the white suede exterior. Feel free to take a look around and I'll meet you inside. Welcome inside this beautiful 2017 Unity FX here at Weston. This is absolutely stunning on the inside. The FX floor plan is so versatile. If you've been in the Murphy bed, then you've been in something pretty close to this. We do have the putty ultra leather in here with the Sierra maple wood cabinetry. Beautiful combination. You've got the convertible chairs here that pull out into ottomans, Murphy bed that comes out of the wall, and then this additional sitting area, potentially sleeping area in the back with the sofa. So much space, so much versatility here. In the event that somebody wakes up earlier than the other person, somebody can sneak out of the bed, go to the back lounge, and have a cup of coffee, read a book until everybody's ready to get up. This motorhome is equipped with the Truma Insta hot water heater. We've got 200 watts of solar. We've got the table that goes in between the captain's chairs up front. This one actually has the ladder as well. And if you have any additional questions or want to learn anything more about this beautiful, nearly new Unity FX, please give us a call here at Weston Dealerships.